Okay, let's just shoot a quick one showing why the vacuum pumps are all good. So I've just finished machining this bit. I'll pull it off. You can hear the pump rev up because there's a bit more vacuum. I'll turn the pump off. That comes off now. We'll give this a blap with some air, clean it off. Okay. We'll take a clean sheet. Put a nice side up on there. We'll turn the vacuum on. Can you hear it? Green light comes on over there. I'll do that again. I'll turn it off. So the green light indicates that we have adequate vacuum. If we drop vacuum while the job's running, then it'll feed hold. So you really just load it in, wait for the green light, hit the green button, and that's why it's worth making all the effort to make these things schmick.